Did you know that thousands of drivers spend $1,200 to $2,000 on premium all-terrain tires every year when they could get nearly the same performance for 40 to 60% less? Yes, that's right. Most people automatically buy brands like BF Goodrich, Falcon, Toyo, or Nitto because they are famous. But here is what many tire shops won't tell you. Several lesser-known tire brands are quietly delivering outstanding traction, durability, and off-road performance at a fraction of the price. In this video, we are breaking down the top 5 cheap, criminally ignored all-terrain tire brands that are absolute gold mines for your truck, Jeep, or SUV. Let's dive in. Number 5. Sumitomo Encounter AT2. Most drivers have heard of Falcon, but very few realize that Sumitomo is the Japanese engineering giant behind it. In fact, Sumitomo is the parent company of Falcon, which means the Sumitomo Encounter AT2 benefits from the same advanced rubber compound research, manufacturing expertise, and engineering philosophy that helped make the legendary Falcon Wild Peak series one of the most respected all-terrain tires on the market. What makes the Encounter AT2 truly impressive is how much performance it delivers for the money. It carries an outstanding UTQG treadwear rating of 660 AB. That is a number that actually surpasses several premium brand competitors, costing hundreds of dollars more. To back up that durability, Sumitomo includes a 65,000-mile limited treadwear warranty for standard metric sizes and a 60,000-mile warranty for heavy-duty LT versions. Underneath the tread, the tire features jointless nylon cap plies that evenly distribute loads at highway speeds, while high-tension casing plies reduce heat buildup and minimize tire distortion for greater stability and longer life. It also carries the 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake certification that proves it meets severe winter traction standards and remains flexible even in freezing temperatures. Perhaps the biggest surprise is the value. A full set of Sumitomo Encounter AT2 tires can often cost 35% to 45% less than comparable premium brands. Whether you are driving through heavy rain, snow-covered roads, rocky trails, or long highway trips, this tire is built to maintain excellent grip while resisting hydroplaning. Number 4. Kumho Road Venture AT52. Over the last decade, Kumho Tire has quietly transformed itself into one of the world's largest tire manufacturers. It produces millions of tires annually for drivers across more than 180 countries. The Road Venture AT52 demonstrates exactly why the company has earned that reputation. It uses a newly developed tread compound that resists wear while maintaining flexibility during colder temperatures that helps preserve grip throughout changing seasons. One standout feature is the tire's wide tread voids. These help to remove mud and loose dirt quickly that allow the tread blocks to keep biting into the terrain instead of becoming clogged. The tire also uses reinforced internal construction that improves stability when carrying heavier loads. This feature makes the Road Venture AT52 ideal for work trucks as well as recreational vehicles. Owners frequently report achieving 55,000 miles or more before replacement becomes necessary. Another major advantage is highway comfort. Steering remains responsive, vibration is minimal, and cabin noise stays well controlled even during long-distance road trips. Best of all, many buyers save 20 to 35% compared to premium brands, while sacrificing very little in real-world performance. If your driving includes forest roads, construction sites, hunting trails, and daily commuting, this tire delivers. Number 3. Cooper Discoverer AT3 4S. The Cooper Discoverer AT3 4S is another hidden gem that's often overshadowed by bigger names, even though Cooper has been producing tires since 1914. In fact, Cooper earned such a strong reputation for truck and SUV tires that it eventually became part of Goodyear. The AT3 4S was designed specifically for drivers who spend most of their time on pavement but still want dependable performance on dirt roads, gravel trails, snow, and light mud. Its advanced silica-enhanced rubber compound improves grip on wet roads while slowing tread wear, and several independent tire comparison tests have ranked it among the better all-terrain tires for wet braking performance. Unlike many aggressive all-terrain tires that become noticeably louder as they wear, Cooper uses an optimized tread pitch sequence that helps reduce road noise throughout the tire's life. The reinforced shoulder blocks also provide additional stability while towing trailers or hauling heavy cargo that make it especially popular among pickup owners. It is backed by a 65,000-mile treadwear warranty. It also carries the 3-peak Mountain Snowflake certification that gives drivers added confidence during harsh winter conditions. For everyday truck owners, however, this tire delivers one of the best balances of comfort, longevity, and affordability available today. Number 2, Ironman All Country All-Terrain. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest hidden bargains in the all-terrain world, the Ironman All Country All-Terrain. Although Ironman doesn't have the brand recognition of BF Goodrich or Toyo, but it is actually backed by Hercules Tire and Rubber Company that gives it access to established manufacturing and engineering resources. This tire is built for drivers who need dependable, year-round capability without spending a fortune. Its aggressive shoulder lugs provide strong traction on loose gravel, dirt, sand, and light mud, while adding extra protection against minor sidewall damage on rough trails. The staggered tread block design helps reduce stone retention that prevents rocks from becoming wedged in the tread and maintaining consistent off-road grip. Despite its rugged appearance, the tire delivers respectable ride comfort and surprisingly low road noise during everyday commuting. It features a 50,000-mile treadwear warranty. A full set can often cost $250 to $500 less than premium all-terrain alternatives that make it an attractive choice for budget-conscious truck and SUV owners. While it is not intended to compete with specialized tires during extreme rock crawling or deep mud events, but it performs exceptionally well for camping trips, hunting, backcountry roads, snow-covered highways, and daily driving. For drivers who value practical performance over brand prestige, the Ironman All Country All-Terrain is one of the smartest purchases available today. Number 1, General Tire Grabber. If you have never considered General Tire, then you are probably missing one of the biggest bargains in the all-terrain market. Although it doesn't receive the same attention as BF Goodrich KO3s or Falken Wild Peaks, but the Grabber A/TX RK1.1 consistently earns praise for delivering premium-level performance at a much lower price. The General Grabber A/TX is an aggressive all-terrain tire made by Continental. One of the biggest advantages is its DuraGen technology, which strengthens the tire carcass to resist cuts, punctures, and impacts when driving over rocks, gravel, and sharp terrain. This makes it surprisingly capable for weekend trail adventures without paying premium prices. The tread design also features deep, self-cleaning grooves. That means the tire maintains traction instead of becoming packed with debris during muddy conditions. On pavement, the Grabber A/TX performs far better than many aggressive-looking all-terrain tires. Road noise stays relatively low, steering feels stable at highway speeds, and wet weather grip remains predictable because of its high-density siping. Many owners report getting 55,000 to over 65,000 miles with proper rotation and alignment that make Grabber ATX an excellent long-term value. How to avoid trash-cheap tires. When looking at a cheap tire, ignore the marketing junk and check these 4 parameters on the sidewall. Number 1. UTQG treadwear rating. Look for a number above 500. Anything lower means the rubber compound is soft and will wear out in less than 2 seasons. Number 2, traction rating. Ensure it says traction A. Avoid B or C ratings, which indicate poor stopping distances on wet pavement. Number 3, the parent company. Check. Do a quick search to ensure the brand is backed by a major global manufacturer, like Continental backing General, Bridgestone backing Firestone, or Hankook backing Pathfinder. That's all for this video. Are you running any of these budget gold mines on your rig right now, or are you still paying the name brand tax? Drop your mileage reviews in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest automotive advice. I will see you in the next video.